Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete a repost on TikTok for Android. If you accidentally reposted a video or just changed your mind, don't worry, it's super easy to remove. Let's jump in. Alright, first thing, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. You'll land on your For You page with all the videos. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. You'll see all your posted videos and content here. Okay, look for the video you reposted. Tap on the repost icon that you'll find on your profile. Reposted videos usually have a little repost icon or label on them. After you're on the Repost tab, tap on the video you want to delete from the repost. Here's the thing. Once the video is playing, look at the right side of the screen where all the buttons are. You'll see the share arrow icon. Tap on it. In the sharing menu that pops up, you'll see a repost button. If you've already reposted this video, the button will be highlighted or say remove repost or show a check mark. Just tap on that repost button again. TikTok will immediately remove your repost, and the video will no longer appear on your profile or in your followers' feeds as a repost from you. The button will go back to normal, showing that the repost has been removed. Another simpler method is open the reposted video and then look for the You Reposted label. Tap on it and tap on the Reposted button. You will see an option pop up, tap on Remove Repost, tap on it to confirm, and it's that simple. And that's it. Your TikTok repost is now deleted. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.